Is dropshipping finally dead, or is it still worth it to start as a total beginner in 2021? And some people may think so because of the increasing popularity of dropshipping, as you can see in this graph right here. And as a result, some people may think, okay, that's just too much competition, or dropshipping is just too saturated. And also when you search on YouTube for dropshipping, you will most likely stumble over some guys who are just concerned about flexing their Lamborghini.
Just bought this new Lamborghini here.
Super scammy and sketchy. Very often they're trying to sell you their paid course, which is in my opinion not necessarily worth the money, because all of the information that you need to get started, they're available for free on YouTube, and this is why I love this platform so much. The dropshipping may not get the best PR, and in my opinion this just sucks. Because the truth is, dropshipping is neither dead nor is it too saturated, even if you start as a total beginner in 2021. Just check out this graph about e-commerce growth in the past years, and you will see that e-commerce is constantly growing, and for years now it has not been a billion-dollar industry, but it has been a trillion-dollar industry, and there's no end in sight. Also, I'm saying dropshipping is not dead because of my own personal experience, and I've started dropshipping late 2020 and I had zero experience. I had no clue about Shopify, neither did I know how to build a website or any of that stuff. Because I didn't have any kind of knowledge about this topic, I just watched a ton of YouTube because there's so many amazing tutorials about dropshipping out there. After 2 failed products, the third one finally worked, and honestly guys, I don't feel that I'm much smarter than you are. And so far, dropshipping and e-commerce has been something really amazing to me. I would describe it almost as a life-changing experience because it allows you to make your money while you're sleeping, while you're traveling, or while you do any kind of crazy shit. And guys, I can't deny that it just feels super nice when you just wake up and you check your phone, you see, okay, you made a bunch of sales in the past night. It's super nice. Another thing that's just so nice about dropshipping is that once you put in the work and you have a store and you have your ads ready, you really don't have to put in a lot of work. For instance, I put in maybe like 30 minutes up to 45 minutes each day to maintain these sales and to scale the business. Unlike many other business models, you can get started with dropshipping super quickly. I would suggest to put in maybe like 2 up to 3 weeks into research, and then you can start to build your own Shopify store and to set your ads live, and the results will come in. A lot of people these days get into dropshipping because it's so easy to build your own website with Shopify. However, many of them just do it for the quick money and they're not really persistent and not really putting in the work, and then it just doesn't work out, guys. It's really not easy. But guys, if you have the right mindset and you treat dropshipping as a real business and you want to provide customers with real value, you have a head start. I believe there's not really a secret that leads you to success with dropshipping. It's more about doing it and really just doing it and staying persistent. For instance, I have this one friend who just recently called me because he wanted to get into dropshipping, but he is way too concerned about all of the details. He was asking, should I create an S Corp or should I create an LLC? And guys, that stuff just doesn't matter in the beginning. The only thing that matters is that you actually start and just get going. Maybe dropshipping was a little bit easier 5 years ago because there was less competition, but when is the best time to plant a tree? Probably 10 years ago. And what's the second best time? Today. I don't want to be cheesy, I just really like this quote. And I can almost guarantee you that if you put in the work, if you are able to learn new skills, and if you're able to commit, even if it's frustrating sometimes, it's gonna happen for you, it's gonna work out. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I really hope this was inspiring to get started with your own dropshipping venture, and I really hope to see you guys next time.